What if you never had to build a separate integration for WhatsApp, Messenger, SMS, and in-app chat ever again? That's the exact nightmare Zendesk Sunshine Conversations was built to solve. One REST API, 14 plus channels, 0 per platform headaches. Sunshine Conversations started as smooch.io before Zendesk acquired it, and the core architecture is still rock solid. It sits between your application and every major messaging platform, normalizing each channel's quirks into one consistent API. Build once and reach customers wherever they already are. From WhatsApp Business and Facebook Messenger to Apple Messages, Line, Telegram, WeChat, and even Unity SDK for gaming apps, every channel speaks the same language through Sunshine Conversations. Twilio and MessageBird handle your SMS needs, while the built-in web messenger and native iOS and Android SDKs cover your own surfaces. One integration, every platform. The API is built around 5 clean resources: messages for sending and receiving, conversations for managing threads, users for identity and authentication, webhooks for real-time events, and attachments for media. All accessed via standard REST methods with consistent JSON responses and predictable HTTP status codes. A few hard limits to design around. Conversations cap at 30,000 messages, request bodies max out at 100 kilobytes, and file uploads top out at 50 megabytes. If you hit rate limits, you'll get a 429 response, so build in exponential backoff. And the API uses cursor-based pagination, which keeps performance solid even with millions of messages. 2 authentication methods, each for a different scenario. Basic Auth is the fastest to set up for backend server-to-server calls, using your API key ID and secret as credentials. JWT is the right choice when you need to narrow access by scope, passing a signed token with your specific permission level in the authorization header. Your API key's prefix tells you exactly what it can do. Account scope keys starting with act_ have full access, including multi-tenant provisioning for SaaS platforms. App scope keys cover all core methods for a single integration. And service keys, prefixed with SVC_, are the most limited, ideal for third-party integrations where you want to grant minimal access. Zendesk ships official SDKs for Java, Ruby, Python, and JavaScript, all available in open-source repositories. The Java SDK gets the most active maintenance from the Zendesk team. Ruby and Python are auto-generated from the OpenAPI spec, keeping them current with every API update. There's also a full Postman collection and an OpenAPI spec if you prefer building your own client. Real-time event handling is powered by webhooks your server exposes. You'll receive post requests for incoming messages, button taps, new conversations, and typing indicators. Always verify the webhook signature against the shared secret to confirm the event is genuinely from Sunshine Conversations, not a spoofed request. Sunshine Conversations isn't a standalone tool. It's wired into the entire Zendesk platform. The web widget uses it under the hood, so conversations flow into the same agent workspace, where your team handles every other ticket. The Switchboard lets you route conversations programmatically between bots, AI systems, and human agents, keeping full context throughout every handoff. Full API access requires Suite Professional at $115 per agent per month, or Suite Enterprise. Team and growth plans include the web widget for basic messaging, but don't unlock the Conversations API for custom integrations. Each plan includes 1,000 monthly active users, with additional packs available at around $50 per 2,500 users. Building a custom Sunshine Conversations integration takes real developer time. If your goal is AI-powered customer service rather than a custom messaging platform, eesel AI gives you everything out of the box. One-click setup connects directly to Zendesk, handles switchboard routing, and covers all messaging channels without writing a single line of integration code. Sunshine Conversations is one of the most powerful messaging APIs in the industry, but you don't have to build everything from scratch. eesel AI plugs directly into Zendesk and handles the complexity for you, across every channel with seamless agent handoffs already built in. Try it free for 7 days at eesel.ai.